seems to be a warrior, returning from the war.
Yes.
He's still very much alive, just unconscious.
Yes, you're right. Let's try and lift him and take him to one Wefi the healer. I believe so much she can do something to revive him.
It's only one of Wefi that will be able to revive him.
Let's do it. Yes.
Let's do it.
Oh, yes, do it. You're the one. Start.
Where are you running to? I said, where are you running to?
Mother, he needs my help or he won't survive.
Who needs your help? Did the gods reveal any troubles to you?
Yes, Mother. A warrior from Obagoji village is tiny line away from death.
Obagoji village? What is he looking for in Underworld Rafia that is far from his village?
I don't know, Mother. What can lead a man to any destination?
Did the gods reveal his face this time?
Mother, you know the gods. They always make their faces blurry. But the messages on where the event took place, I always hear and see clearly. They have taken him to Wanyibwefi, but she can't save him. He needs me to be alive, Mother. Mama, I have to go.
Gods of our land, may these gifts that you have given to my daughter bring her good tidings and not sorrow. Go well, my child.
I have administered all the medicine I know, but none seems to be working. This one I am carrying here is the last one that can revive anyone in coma. But if it doesn't work, that means that the gods have decided to take him.
I believe it will
You
work.
have to take him to the palace so that the king can send message across to his people that they are warrior in our land.
I believe this one will work.
Yeah.
But Wanyibwefi, your medicines have even healed an already dead man.
Yes.
You are the greatest in our land. This man is still unconscious. Why can't your medicines revive him?
My daughter, some of these things can never be understood by mere mortal. My son, give it. This medicine will revive him in a few minutes. If it works, let's wait and see.
I believe it will.
I pray the gods helps us. You see.
Oduko, who is chasing you? Did the gods send you to me?
Greetings, Wanyibwefi.
You're welcome.
How is he?
I have administered all the medicine I know. None seems to be working.
I know.
Did the ghost told you anything?
Yes, that is why I'm here. He's a warrior from Obagoji village. He needs my breath to live.
I said it. Damak.
Please, allow me to breathe on him and so he can live and continue his purpose.
Who am I to stop the will of the gods? Please go ahead. He is all yours.
Hey! He's alive.
He's alive.
Nah, my work here is done.
Thank you, my daughter.
I have to go now.
Thank you very much.
Adam, Adora, Adanaya, please, I am begging you in the name of the gods. Allow this one this time. I believe it is the will of the gods for you.
Mother, how do you know he's the will of the gods for me? Are you now a seer? We've had this discussion countless times, and I keep telling you when the right man comes, I will settle down.
When? And who is this right man that hasn't been here? You've had so many suitors, and no one is right in your eyes.
Mother, I am Adora. Iheji Amatu. Take a good look at me. I am too beautiful for all the suitors that has been here. Like I told you, when the right man comes, I won't hesitate to let him pay my bride price. As for now, I think you should pray and ask the gods to send this man of my desire.
Adam, time is no longer on your side. I want you to know that. I'll be in my chamber. Ngala. Take care of her.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I owe you my life.
No. You don't owe me your life. Just thank the gods. And the gods use her breath of life to bring you back.
Yes. I need to see this girl. I need to render my appreciation. But I don't know where to find her. I need to be in my village now.
Don't worry yourself, my son. The gods know you are grateful already. Just go in peace. For the people you left behind in your village, they must be worried about you.
Yeah. Yes.
Let me go in and get your sword.
Yeah. Thank you.
Easy. Take it easy. May the gods go with you. Thank you. You are need drama. Oh. Ndo, where am I?
This kingdom is peaceful. I wish I can stay.
I see you already healed and leaving. May the gods be with you at Waka.
And also with you. Excuse me.
Yes?
Did you call my name?
Me? Call your name? I don't even know, so how will I call your name? I don't call your name. No.
He heard all my mind said to him. That was why he responded. I even called his name. Does it mean my breath made him like me? What just happened? What is it? What is this?
You didn't tell me you are back. And you seem lost in your thoughts.
Mama, I saw the warrior I breathed into. He's now healed and leaving our village for his.
Hey, this is good. Is that why you are moody? You should be happy you gave him life.
I am happy, Mother. But something happened on my way back.
What is it?
Mother, when I passed him on my way back from the farm, somehow we communicated through our hearts.
I don't understand.
Mother, he said something in his mind, and I responded. And when I said something in my mind too, he heard me as well.
This is strange.
Mama, I think my breath into him made him like me. That when I'm thinking, he would hear my thoughts.
This is all so strange, my child.
Oh no, it is indeed a thing of joy that by this time next season, you will be sitting on this throne as King Okbarajiaku I of this land. Yes, it is a promise and it will come to pass.
Your Highness, thank you so much for looking out for me. But Your Highness, as I used to tell you, please reconsider your decision. Your Highness, we still want you to be our king. Continue being our king, Your Highness, till you grow old and join your ancestors. My king, we love your leadership style. You have been a man of truth and transparency. Please.
That is very correct. It is indeed true that I have led my people with all honesty. And my people have commended me for my leadership style. And I have come to know too that the voice of the people is truly the voice of the gods.
Yes.
Having said that, oh no, you know me. You know that I have been royalty all my life. I became a king as soon as my father passed on. That was when I was merely 22 years of age.
I'm aware of that.
And I have been sitting on this throne for the past 30 good years now.
You are correct.
Oh no. From available records, I have been made to understand that kings who ruled in this kingdom before me lived and died on the throne.
That is my point, Your Highness.
But I am a different man, that is the point. I've always believed that there is more to life than living and dying on the throne. I've always believed that there is another side of life. And that other side of life is what I want to experience, most especially now that I am still young and strong. Oh no. Having said that, I will not have you ignorant of this fact. Becoming a king is never an easy thing. Yes, it is not.
Your Highness, you are scaring me. Being in power, being a man that everyone fears and respects, is it not worth it all?
Not at all. If you think that way, you'll get it all wrong. Becoming a true leader is far more than having your subjects bow before you in obedience every day. I must tell you the truth. It is very, very tiring carrying the entire burden of a kingdom on your shoulders. As a king, the sleepless nights we have, most times, are far more than the days of peace that we enjoy. Yes, that is the truth.
Your Highness, if you Onyuke, the Onyuke too of Agbedo Orafia, can be tired of the throne, who wouldn't be? Then how can I, who know what Ojiako, Show that responsibility you are trying to pass on to me, Your Highness.
Unfortunately, you don't have a choice, you know. I have chosen you to succeed me when I step down. And I have my reasons for doing so. I've known you for a very long time. You are strong, dedicated, a determined man. And I have no doubt whatsoever that your leadership style is going to be similar to that of mine. By that, our people will not miss me much even when I am not the throne again. Having said that, the day I hand over the staff of office to you, that same day, you shall become king of this land.
Your Majesty, thank you very much. I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
I dream and look forward to that day to come.
Oh no, don't worry, it will surely come. And very soon too.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'm very grateful.
Why would the king want to step down from the throne? And of all people, he chose that selfish man, Onowo Parojiako. Each time he's before the king, he pretends to be the nicest person. Doesn't the king even hear how Onowu goes about with our maidens, telling them from eligible young men like us? That stupid man that made Oledo leave me because of an old man. Never. That staff of office must not get into his hands. Like I heard from my father, the king's staff of office is same from generation to generation and was willed years ago by Ezelabo, the three-faced ancient god. Therefore, if lost, when another wants to assume the throne, that means the person was not right in the sight of the gods, and it takes years for another to be willed. I know exactly how to make that greedy man lose his position.
It's not here too. Since when? How come? Mbatako! Adora!
My king.
Where are all your maidens?
Father.
In fact, I want to see everyone here now!
Ola! Utonwa! Ngala!
Now, who among you had the effrontery to tamper with my staff of office? Who?
My king, I am surprised at this question. Honestly, all my years with you as your wife, I've not touched your staff of office. Father, I have no business with your staff of office. What will I do with it? Father, you should search your chambers properly. It might be somewhere there.
Oh, I kept it that same place I've been keeping it all these years. And it is nowhere to be found right now.
Agolu.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Nkwanta.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Which of you touched the king's staff of office?
I never get close to it, Your Majesty. I swore with my life I never touched it.
Who could have tampered with the king's staff?
Ola and Otonwa, What about you?
Ngala, what about you?
My queen, we know that I have never ever set my foot on the king's chambers. I'm always with the princess all day.
My queen, I'm always with you. Only for the times you sent me to the market. I swear by the gods, I didn't touch it.
And you?
Neither did I, your majesty. I haven't ever gone close to the king's chamber.
So who did? Who came into my chambers and do away with my staff of office? Who did?
My king, please calm down. Let's search very well. It might still be in the palace.
You better do. Look for it fast and get it back to me before I lose it completely.
Father.
Everyone search.
Search all the nook and cranny of this palace. Calm down. My king. Please calm down. Adora, talk to your father.
This is not happening.
Father, just relax.
Where is it?
Your Majesty.
Where is the staff of office?
It was not yet to find, Your Majesty.
Oh no. I am finished. Who has done this to me?
My queen, it's nowhere to be found.
Who in the God's name has the audacity to come into this palace and make away with the king's staff? It is your fault, you stupid guards. While you were sleeping and snoring your lives away, someone entered this palace and made away with the king's staff.
Don't mind the fools. What is your work then?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Sorry for yourselves.
Do you know the mess we are in right now? If the staff is not found, do you?
Agolu.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Run to the Onowu and tell him that it is a matter of urgency and that I want him in the palace this minute.
Yes, Your Highness.
Be fast!
Yes, Your Highness.
Get out of this place.
Get out!
Keep searching for it.
And you what are you still waiting for?
My king, this is an abomination. It is an abomination, my king. Who could be trying to bring this calamity to our kingdom, my king? My king, I'm afraid. Something has to be done.
Short of words, Onowu. In fact, I don't know what to say right now. I have never seen a thing like this before in my entire life. The staff of office of the king disappeared from the palace and it is nowhere to be found right now. No,
my king, this is not possible. This is the work of an enemy. An enemy is involved. My king, we have to do something. Something has to be done. I have to send message to the town crier. I have to send message to Denibo to inform all the villagers. Let anybody who knows anything or have seen anything report to this palace. And if anybody did, my king, we must give that person a prize from the king. Yes.
Onowu, my king, I think you're making a point here. But don't you think we should involve Edikata, the great Dibia? At this point, he might just know who took it.
My king, I'm of the opinion, if after 2 market days, nobody returned the staff of office back to this palace, then we involve Edikata. My king can believe that whoever stole that staff of office must have a very good reason.
Oh no, you think this is the best thing to do?
I believe so, my king. I believe so.
Okay, in that case, you just have to go to Udenigo at once.
I will do that, my king. I will be on my way immediately.
Okay.
Listen and listen attentively. The staff of our great king has gone missing since yesterday night, and the Igwe has instructed anyone that finds it or returns it should be rewarded handsomely. But if nothing is done between 2 days' time, everyone will gather at the palace before the great Edikata. Father Borofia, listen and listen attentively. The staff of our great king has gone missing since yesterday night. The Igwe has instructed that if anyone that finds it or returns it should be rewarded handsomely. But in 2 days' time, if nothing is done, everyone will gather at the palace before Edikata, the great seer.
Mama, who's chasing you? Who is chasing you?
Mama, did you hear the announcement by the town crier Udenibo?
Yes, about the king's missing staff.
Yes, Mama. The gods revealed it was taken by someone from the palace.
Shh, my child. The wall has keys. I don't want you to say this to anyone. The person might come forward since the king placed a reward on it.
But Mama, what if the person doesn't?
Then, in 2 days' time, Edikata himself will come to the square and call out the person. My daughter, please, I don't want you to get involved with anything with the palace. Please.
Okay, Mama.
Good. Nobody knows we are here. And I want it to remain so. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Come with me.
Nai, isn't today the second day like you said, yet no news from the palace that it has been returned?
My dear, no. But I believe, if it had been returned, Didwe will send the guards to come and call me immediately. Yes.
This is serious, Nai. Eh? And it's happening now you meant to be the next king. My enemies want to destroy my dream of being the next queen.
My dear, that won't happen. Nobody can stop it. By the time Edikata comes tomorrow, he will fish out the thief and he'll be disgraced publicly. Even the gods won't allow that to happen.
Nanya, I hope so. I can see the way you are enjoying your food, licking your fingers. Hey.
My dear, why won't I? You left me here and went to Ebenetiti for our daughter's omogo. And I'm alone cooking my food for myself. And you know, it can never be as delicious as yours. Ewo, get me another cup of water.
I see evil.
Why are you here?
Now, with the look on your face, you don't seem happy to see me.
Oh, my princess.
Good evening.
Good evening. You are here?
Yes.
What a surprise visit. What are you doing in our hut all by yourself?
My father sent me to call Onowu Opara Jako as a matter of emergency.
What about the guards?
Yes. He used to send the guards to call me. I don't know why.
He sent the guards to search for the staff in different houses since no one has come forward.
And the maids?
They went to the market to get some food stuff for my mother.
Oh, I see. You are the only one left. That's why you come to give the message.
Yes. Nne, how is your mugo going? I didn't know you were back. My mother told me Obegeli gave birth to a bouncing baby girl.
No, I'm not back. Oh. I just came to surprise my husband and make a good food for him.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you, Nne. You're a good woman. I should be on my way now. My father said I should just hurry and deliver the message to Onowu.
Okay. Wait, let me get you something I brought from the Omugo.
Thank you, Nne.
She's just leaving. Go to the court and wait for me.
I've heard you.
Evil. Ukuneje wara Marakwa Ayaneje wara Na paye Evil Evil I see evil.
What do you mean by sorry? You and I know you were supposed to meet me here by noon. And you kept me here waiting for you all day. Only for me to come check on you and you are busy eating food with your wife at home. While I'm stuck here.
It's not my fault. I never knew that you would be coming back today. Please, I'm sorry.
Whose fault then? Why didn't you just tell her that you were going for a meeting? You still eat the food when you return.
I wish I had thought of that. I would have told her, my dear.
I'm not happy.
It's
really,
okay,
I'm not.
It's okay, calm down. My dear. I'll come.
I am disappointed at all of you. How could you all be here and not even one of you went out with the princess?
The sun will soon set and she has not returned. How long will it take before you go in search of her?
Your Majesty, the princess, I believe she is alright. Sometimes she leaves the palace and she goes out on her own and she always returns. I know she has taken more than usual time today, but Your Majesty, she will come home.
And that doesn't make you think she is not alright?
My king, I asked to come with her when she was leaving. But she asked to be alone and she needs to walk around the village. I think some things.
And whatever it is, takes the whole day to think, right?
Oh, there she comes, my queen.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings, my princess.
Good evening, father and mother.
Oh, save your greetings. Where are you coming from at this time of the day? And where exactly are you coming from in the first place?
Father, I just took a walk around the village.
At this risky period, they have not found out why the staff was stolen. What if you were hurt, Ada?
But I wasn't. I'm sorry, mother. I met some maidens on my way back learning the Egun Lecha dance, so I decided to watch them. I'm sorry I made you people worried.
It's okay, my daughter. But please do not allow that repeat itself another time.
I won't, father. I won't. I am so sorry, Nam.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Harudin obodo Harudin obodo Asị ma ọgbara ya gbara karịa n'eke Ochibe chibe ya chi karịa nkakwu Maka onye watara awọ ga-ajụ n'anụ Harudin obodo I believe that you all know why we gathered here today. The king's staff of office is missing. And none of you has agreed that he or she has the staff of office. So, if the staff of office is seen within any of you, he or she will be punished severely. By your highness. Arudi n'obodo. Arudi n'obodo. Arudi n'obodo. Arudi n'obodo. Asị m ọgbara ya gbakarụ karịa n'eke. O shibe shibe ya shikarịa nkapụ. Ole watara m ọgajụ n'anụ. Arụdị n'obodo. Arụdị n'obodo. Arụdị n'obodo. Arụdị n'obodo. Your Majesty. The cloud is dark. The gods has not revealed the thief that took the staff of office.
What then again shall we do, Edikata? I want the staff of office returned to the palace. Yes. I know that it did not grow wings overnight. Someone somewhere in this kingdom took it.
In 3 market days. In 3 market days. If the staff of office is not found, you all will appear before Otropopo to swear an oath.
It's okay.
Your Majesty, Your Highness, I'm sorry to interrupt the great Dibia, Idikata. But I have something to say.
Young lady, who are you and what do you have to say?
Are you the thief we're looking for?
No, my princess, I'm not. But the person that took the staff was revealed to me by the gods.
Hey, young lady. Does this gathering look to you like a joke? The gods revealed to you what they could not reveal to Edikata.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but I don't know why the gods chose me instead.
Oh, it's okay. So what did the gods reveal to you? Speak up, young lady. I don't have all the time in the world.
Your Highness, the person that took the staff is from the palace.
Hey! Wait! Which palace are you talking about?
Your palace, Your
This
Majesty.
palace?
Yes. The gods revealed to me that the person is one of your guards.
What?
Abomination.
Agolo!
Yes, Your Highness.
Okonta, Your Highness. Which of them?
Your Majesty, Your Highness, the face of the person was not revealed to me. But I pray the gods that they reveal his face now. He's the one.
Abomination.
Say it is a lie. Say it's not true.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Say the truth, Agolo. You took the staff and buried it at the back of the palace.
She's lying. I'm not lying. She's lying.
My king, Your Majesty, I am her mother. As a matter of fact, my daughter has had this gift right from the time she was a child. But I have kept it hidden because I did not want anything to happen to her. I am even shocked that she stepped out to say this. It is just I and Wanyi Obwefi that knows about this gift.
It is true, Your Majesty. Your Highness, if you will permit,
Let's go to back of the palace and dig and see if she's saying the truth.
Yes. My dear, that was how it is.
Nai, who could believe that it was actually the king's guard that stole the staff of office?
My dear, I am as surprised as you are. But the gods has exposed him for me. For my own good, yes.
What could be his reasons?
Who knows? But I told you, not everybody is happy. On the king's decision to pass the mantle of leadership to my family. And the gods has ordained it, and so shall it be.
Hey! Uh-oh! 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 Uh-oh!
Oh! Manima! Murumam! Maybe, Ogenede, come and sit down. Come and sit down.
Nai, I can't wait to be addressed as Her Royal Majesty.
Look at you. You befit to be addressed as the queen of this community.
Thanks be to the gods.
Yes. My dear, don't worry.
I'm so
We'll get there.
Yes, I can't regret the very day I get married to you.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings. How are you? I'm fine. I hope there is no problem. What are you doing in my compound? There is no problem at all. My mother sent me to deliver these gifts to you as a token of appreciation towards your help in finding my father's staff. Oh. Thank you, my princess. I'm glad I could help. Thank Her Majesty too. You're welcome. What is your name? Odiokonamba. Odiokonamba. Odioko, can you visit me at the palace anytime soon? I want us to be friends. Yes, my princess, I can. Okay. Take care, Odioko. Thank you, my princess. Deliver the gifts. You can keep it on the chair.
Ready to tell me why you stole the staff of office and buried it?
My king, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It was just a stupid mistake. Please.
How dare you? What kind of silly mistake would make you commit such atrocity?
My king, please forgive me. I only did that to stop you from leaving the throne for Noah Parojiako. I still want to remain our king. I know with a staff of authority that Noah can never be crowned as the next king. Please forgive me. It was just a stupid act.
I am glad you know that it was a selfish act and not your decision to make on whom I decide to hand over the leadership of this kingdom to. And for that recalcitrant attitude of yours, I will punish you until I am satisfied in my spirit. I will punish you. The king.
What a day. I'm so tired. My body itches like that of a wounded person.
Greetings, warrior.
Greetings.
Are you okay? I heard you complain of body aches.
I'm fine. I just had a very stressful day hunting.
Hope it was a successful hunt.
Yes. I don't mix when I shoot an animal. The shorter ones, they perceive my presence.
I'm glad you went well. Get some rest so you feel better.
I will, thank you. I wonder you're here.
Yes, I'm here. I've been here for a couple of minutes. You didn't notice my presence.
Oh, my brother, I was actually talking to the medium I told you about.
Abwaka, wait. The one you told me that both of you can hear your mind.
Yes, my brother.
And you're happy. Abwaka, don't you think that it is evil?
It is not evil. I don't believe. It cannot be evil. It might seem strange, but it is not evil. Come.
Oh. Hey! Ago.
A very mighty one.
Oh, don't go up, Waka. Oh, don't walk it.
I'm so glad you came. Thank you so much. I wouldn't disrespect the princess for anything. No, Ojioko, it's not like that. You see, I don't want you to think that you owe me a visit. You have your own life to live. And I want our friendship to be on your own terms too. Because I'm the only child. And I've always hoped for a friend and a sister. You talk so kindly. Thank you for giving me a choice. But believe me when I say that I would love to be your friend and sister. Thank you. Thank you, Ojioko. Ngala. Where's Ngala? Ngala!
My princess, sorry, Ngala is not around. You sent her to get you some fruits.
I almost forgot. Get us some food from the kitchen.
Okay, my princess.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. Just feel free and comfortable anytime you're around.
I see evil. I see evil.
You are so sweet.
If you feel this way about me, so why haven't you sent your wife packing and then get married to me?
Why are you flaring up? Why are you saying this? You know your father. He won't allow me to marry you now.
By what you're saying, you mean you won't get married to me?
No, that's not what I'm saying. I mean that the only way your father can allow me to marry is when I become king. Then I'll come forward and marry you and take you home. My love.
Oh, you say what I desire to hear.
Yes.
You know I love you.
I more than love you, my dear. Akwam, ototom.
Is that you? Yeah? Yes, I have.
You finished selling your wares. Oh, that's good.
Where are you coming from? You told me you had a meeting to attend with the king before I left.
My dear, it was a brief meeting. And when it ended, Mazudo invited me to his house for lunch. And when you are not at home, I decided to honor his invite. That is where I'm coming from.
Oh, that's thoughtful of him. Let's hurry home so I can make you dinner.
Yes, my dear.
Adam! Adora!
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings to you in Ghana. Where is Adora, my daughter?
My queen, she went out.
She went out? And what are you doing here? Why didn't you go with her?
Your Majesty, she insisted on going alone.
Where is she always going by herself most times?
Well, she said that whenever she has a lot in her mind, she likes to go out and clear her mind out of the stress. And whenever she's at it, she likes to be on her own.
She said that to you?
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's all right. Tell her to meet me at my chambers the moment she returns. Adam.
Yes, Nne.
All I am saying is that you always make me worried each time you leave the palace alone.
Mother, there is nothing to worry about. I just needed time alone to clear some thoughts off my head.
Is anything bothering you? You can confide in me. I am your mother. Or are you seeing anyone and you're hiding the person from us? Why not bring the person home and introduce the person to us? I know it must be a man.
You always imagine the unthinkable. I am not seeing anyone. It's just that I'm tired of Ngala following me up and down like a pest. You see, in as much as I'm the princess, I deserve some privacy. Ne? I'm human. I don't need Ngala following me up and down everywhere. I don't like it.
If you said so.
Yes. Ne.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
Waka. I thank the gods you're around. I was beginning to think this food would be a waste.
How are you?
I'm fine. I brought you lunch.
As usual. I thought I told you never to bother yourself.
I wish I can. Moreover, I'm not complaining. I wouldn't let the strongest man in our kingdom starve when I know there's no one to cook for him. So come and sit down. Let me bring water for you to wash.
My princess, your body is burning up. We need to go to Niogerian for some herbs, eh? When you take our herbs, you will feel better.
I will be okay by evening. Just continue.
Igudi haruginelo.
Destiny. You see destiny can be delayed but never be denied.
I'm certain you're very much better now from the scars of the war.
I am. Thanks the gods for using you to save me. I owe you my life.
No, you don't. It was the will of the gods.
You always sound so kind. I keep wondering what you look like. Someone the gods uses must look like a goddess.
I never knew warriors can be funny.
I like the sound of your laughter. I am hoping to see you someday in the future.
Of course. Good night.
Good night.
Destiny. You see destiny can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never
So your mother put that you too? I thought I was the only one that won't go a day without my mother reminding me that I'm ripe for marriage. She always told me. And I'll tell her mother, when the right man comes, you won't even be the one to remind me again. Same thing I say. And my mother will be like, close your eyes and pick any man that is coming for your hand in marriage. The truth is, I don't even like any of them. Why? I heard you've had numerous rich suitors. Truth. But let me tell you a secret. It's safe with me. I don't like young men. They turn me off. Yes, I prefer older men. You know, men that can pamper me the way my father does. So when I see a man, an older man I'm in love with, I'll get married. Well, I pray the gods he finds you soon. Say, what about you? What kind of men do you like? Well, any man that is handsome and loves me. Don't worry, you'll get your own man too. Say, let's eat.
Bruma. Hey. I'm off for a meeting with the king. I will soon be back.
Nai, what kind of meeting do you always have with the king? Since I came back from Omugwo, you always go for a meeting.
Bruma, what are you implying? Don't you know that the affairs of this community will soon be handed over to me? So I have to be with the king always to discuss on how to do better from where he stopped.
Nai, you are behaving like someone having an affair, and I'm becoming uncomfortable.
I? Oh no, what about Jack having an affair? Am I that stupid to belittle myself so low? And never you think that low of me again. My focus on how to sit on that throne, not women.
Oh Nai, if you say so, I'm so sorry.
I will soon be back.
Please, I'm not in the mood. Stop it.
What do you mean you are not in the mood? If you are not in the mood, why did you come then?
I don't understand. So the whole essence of me coming here is for us to have sex all the time? What do you think of me? What do you mean? Is it because I always let you do it?
My princess is not like that. I'm sorry. You're just a slip of tongue.
It better be. Meanwhile, I think we have a problem.
Problem? How?
I am not certain, but I've been having the symptoms. I think I'm pregnant.
What did you just say? You are pregnant. My princess, how can you assume something like that? Why not go to the midwife? Let her examine you. She knows the symptoms of pregnancy better than you. Moreover, it might just be a mere fever.
Fever? I doubt. Because I'm noticing all the symptoms that my mother described to me that happens to a pregnant woman. But like you said, I'll still go to one Abuefi. So I'll be certain.
Hey,
I see evil, I see evil, I see evil, I see evil. Ukune jemara mara, ukune jemara mara.
My princess, you are pregnant.
Are you sure? No, I don't want you to tell anyone about this. Please. I will make sure that my suitors they will soon pay my bride price. I will make sure of that. You know it's not good for the kingdom to know that I got pregnant before my bride price was paid. No, please, can you keep this a secret? Please.
I will not tell anyone. But remember, you are a royalty. Tell your suitors to hasten things up before even your mother finds out.
I will. I will. Thank you so much, Ne. Thank you. You
can go.
Yes, I should be on my way.
You know you can't keep this pregnancy. It will ruin everything for me. And you know your father. He won't support me marrying you.
Oh no, I will not remove my first pregnancy. I won't. You agreed, you said you were going to marry me before your coronation, didn't you? Fine, I can cover the pregnancy till after your coronation, and then you can come and pay my bride price. My father will have no choice than to accept you. So why are you telling me to remove my first pregnancy?
For how long do you think you can keep hiding it? The coronation is 2 months away.
Oh no, I won't. Opera Jaku, you better hasten up and know what you're going to do, because I will not remove my first pregnancy.
Princess, please listen to me. Please remove this one. When we get married, we can start having children. As many as you want.
I won't!
Odogu, this Chibonama of a girl, she's a great cook. Definitely, she's a wife material.
No doubt. She's a wonderful cook.
Then, what are you waiting for? Can't you go and ask for her hand in marriage?
What Chibunama is doing, she's doing it wholeheartedly. She's not asking me to pay her.
Odogu, even if Chibunama is doing like that, any girl that does what she's doing needs something in return. Okay, let's say she's doing it wholeheartedly.
Can you eat this abacha from this year?
Odogu, go and marry Chibunama. She's from good family.
Even I make eat this abacha. I'm gonna eat a lot. Eat a car on na. Lili.
Oh, yeah, you do a warrior.
To be a warrior and so and so.
And truba.
Survive him.
Come kabubo nako.
Kabia. You better want to know.
Ukune jemara. marakwa anya na-eje warawara na akwaghị
Woman, what is it? Why can't you leave me alone? Can't I think in my own house? What is your problem? All the time you're following me about. Be careful.
Now you have been like this for so long. What is so
much evil in the land. I see evil.
Your Highness, I believe he has learned his lessons. Please release him.
It's okay if you say so. I will ask Ukunta to go and release him.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Guard!
Your Highness.
Go and release Agulo. Tell him to clean up and report back to his duty post.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness, Adora just walked past without even regarding we are here. I've noticed some changes in her, and anytime I ask her, she will say she is fine.
I have been observing that lately too. This is strange. It is strange.
I've noticed the princess has been quite distant for some time now. She's always by herself in the palace and even outside the palace. Do any of you know what the problem with her is?
Your Majesty, if there is anyone who should know the whereabouts of the princess, it should be Ngala, as she is her personal maid.
Your Majesty, I believe the princess is okay. She just wants to be alone. And like she always says, she's no longer a child.
If you said so. But please, Ngala, keep an eye on my daughter. If there is anything troubling her, don't hesitate to bring it to my notice.
I will, Your Majesty. I will.
You have to come and tell my father that I am pregnant by you. And ask for my hand in marriage before my stomach will come out and the whole villagers will know that I am pregnant.
You talk without wisdom. How do you think your father will react? You think he will welcome me with open arms? A man of my age, impregnating his first daughter. You must be out of your mind.
Oh, really? We will see who is out of whose mind by the time I tell my father myself.
What are you trying to do, my princess? You want to ruin my chances of being the next king?
That's your business. I give you few days from now to come forward.
My princess, what is wrong? What is troubling you? You've barely eaten.
I'm fine.
My princess, your mother is worried. Your mother is beginning to notice the changes in you. In fact, she has even told me to inform her about any new development that has to do with you.
Have you noticed any changes in me?
Not really, but you hardly talk to me these days.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
In 2 months' time, you will be crowned the king of this kingdom. I am particularly delighted because the cabinet has concluded all arrangements for your coronation.
My king, I can't express how happy I am. I can't wait to uphold your dignity and continue from where you stopped.
I am glad that you are excited, and I strongly believe in my heart that you will not disappoint me when you eventually become the king of this kingdom.
I cross my heart, my king. I won't disappoint you. I will never disappoint you, my king.
That's good to hear.
Greetings, Father. Greetings, Ono.
Greetings.
Greetings, my princess. I am glad to see that your face is brighter today.
Yes, my father. There is something I want to discuss with you. And it's very, very important.
Really?
Yes, Father.
My princess, you can see I'm in a meeting with your father. Can't it wait?
Like I said, it's very, very important. And as a matter of fact, I want you to be here when I say it.
Okay, in that case, why don't you go ahead and say it? We're listening.
Father, I want you to tell Onowu Obarojiako to step forward and address the men, to stop going to Nkene stream at noon, since the ladies take that time to do their washing and even bathe naked. As the Prime Minister, I believe it's his duty to address the men and put them in order.
You have spoken well, my princess. We've heard what you said, and I want to promise you, we are going to do something about it. We will.
Thank you, Father. I am going by the heart to visit a friend. I'll see you later, Father.
Your Majesty, I've had the complaint of the princess. I will go immediately to see the chairman of the men's meeting so that we can address the issue immediately.
No. Make sure that the princess's request is attended to with immediate effect.
I will do that.
I see evil. I see evil. I see evil.
I sense you were indirectly telling me you are coming here.
I saw how scared you were, no, when you thought I was about exposing you to my father.
My princess, this is not fair.
What is not fair is you knowing how much I love you, and you getting me pregnant and leaving the burden alone for me. You said you loved me.
Loved? I still love you, Ada. I still love you.
Then if you love me, do the needful. Come and get married to me. Next time, I will just tell my father, I will tell my parents and your wife. Next time won't be a joke.
I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. Ukune jemarawara. Ukune jemarawara.
Out of your mind to invite me to this place to talk this nonsense. What do you mean? About my first pregnancy? I will not try it.
My princess, I have explained this to you time without number. How else do you want me to explain it? There's no how you can keep this. There is more of being crowned and having a baby. It will put pressure on us.
We have maids and we can even employ more. I am not removing this pregnancy. I am not.
My princess, don't make me force you to drink this.
What do you mean by that? Please leave me alone.
Come here. Take this.
Leave me.
I say take this. Take this.
Leave it.
Hey!
I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. Ukuneje warawara. Ukuneje warawara. Ukuneje warawara, marakwa, ayaneje warawara, na paye, evil, evil, I see evil.
You sent for us.
Yes. I'm there with you.
Yeah.
When I got into this village, I went to the native doctor who called you people for me. He assured me that you people are the best in this job. I hope that is true.
But Onowu, ana megbukwa mmadụ maka ego. Ana megbukwa mmadụ maka ego.
Onowu, just take us to the place at once. But make sure you keep to your own part of the deal. Maka isikwa na agwara gị, asikwala na agwara gị.
You have no problem. People have nothing to worry. As I promise you, each one of you will get one plot of land in my village. And I keep to my word. You have no problem.
In that case, Onowu, let's get going because time is waiting for no one.
Okay.
Okay,
it's okay.
So which way?
We are going to...
Evil, so much evil in the night. I see evil.
My daughter has never stayed out this late. I can no longer breathe my king. I just hope she's safe. I just hope she's safe.
I am confused myself too. In fact, I don't know what to do right now. Agulo, Okonda.
Agwolu and Okonta, I command you to go in search of the princess. Tell Odenigbo to announce to the entire kingdom that the princess is missing. In fact, I want everyone in this kingdom on the lookout for the princess. Send a message to Onowu that I want him at the palace so we can proffer solutions on how to find the princess. Leave this minute.
Yes, Your Highness.
Get out!
Maidens of my kingdom, who is after your life, please let them in. Allow them. Who is after your life?
Now we're going to Mboko stream to fetch water for our mother, Igwe.
Yes!
So what happened?
Your Majesty, we get into the stream. We saw the princess lifeless body floating on the stream.
You saw what? You saw what?
Go down to the stream and bring the princess back alive. The princess, please don't waste time. Wake up. Take her in.
How can you imply my daughter drowned while trying to swim? My daughter knows how to swim. And she has been doing that without drowning. Oh no, why this time?
My queen, I am only calling out for a possible case of death.
Rivers has not finished drowning people. It's just a maelstream. Your Majesty, believe me when I say someone did this and threw my child into the river to look like she drowned. My daughter, I know, doesn't go swimming without her maid. This is murder. And whoever that is causing me this pain of childlessness should not see daybreak tomorrow. Agolu.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and fetch me Odiko from her house. Tell her I need her in the palace now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, calm down. I tell you that if this is murder, I will do anything within my power to fish out the killer and make sure that he's punished. Please calm down.
Calm down? Did you say I should calm down? No. My king. My heart hasn't known peace all day. It bleeds for my daughter, your friend. So I want to know, did she ever tell you she was having issues with anyone?
None that I know of, Your Majesty. The princess was such a beautiful soul. I can't believe someone could do this to her. My heart even bleeds more that the gods haven't shown me who did this or how it happened.
Maybe your no way is right. Maybe she actually got drowned while trying to swim. I noticed she was distant for a few days, but I didn't know what it was. Wait. Did the princess commit suicide? Because she was troubled.
She was troubled? Suicide? No. No. No.
Odiko, what is it?
The princess, she didn't commit suicide. She was killed by a man who wanted her to abort a pregnancy.
What?
Wait.
Abortion?
Was she pregnant for a man?
That was what I was shown, Your Majesty. And I didn't see the face of the man clearly.
I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. Ukune jemara mara. Ukune jemara mara.
I understand how you feel, Your Highness. The gods have not revealed to me the person that did this.
Let's call the villagers to swear before the great arrow. That way we can find the murderer faster.
I be with you to exercise patience. For the gods that revealed this to Odioko will also bring the person to justice.
You mean the face hasn't been shown till now?
No, Mama. I don't know why it's taking the God's time to reveal his face. The princess is so kind. princess.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm fine. I hope there is no problem. What are you doing in my compound?
There is no problem at all. My mother sent me to deliver these gifts to you as a token of appreciation towards your help in finding my father's staff.
Oh. Thank you, my princess. I'm glad I could help. Thank Her Majesty too.
You're welcome. What is your name?
Odukonamba.
Odukonamba. Oduko, can you visit me at the palace anytime soon? I want us to be friends.
Yes, my princess, I can.
Okay. Take care, Oduko.
Thank you, my princess.
Deliver the gifts.
You can keep it on the chair.
Doesn't deserve this.
It's okay, my daughter. Huh? It's okay. I know the gods are wise, and they will reveal the face when the time is right. Okay? Pico.
Okay, Mama.
Wipe your tears.
I have had sleepless nights, wondering who could be this man that has done this to my daughter. And I wonder why it is taking the god's eternity to bring a man that has killed my daughter to justice.
Your Majesty, I am confused too. I wonder why the gods are silent. I believe it might be one of those village boys who must have sweet-talked her into having a relationship with her. Your Majesty, don't worry. I will do everything under my power to bring the boy to justice.
No,
I will.
Just have to do that.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Oh, greetings, my daughter. How are you today?
I'm fine, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Greetings, Ono.
Okpara, are you all right?
I am your Highness.
Oh, the maiden has been greeting you.
Hope everything's all right, maiden.
Not at all. I'm here to see Her Majesty and check how she's faring.
Oh, that is so thoughtful of you. She must be in her chambers. My daughter was just her age.
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes, Your Highness.
Beautiful with a bright future. Yes. Okpara, I swear by the gods, whoever did this to my daughter, I would make sure I bring him to justice.
Yes. 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 You are right. I must be dealt with.
Murderer! Murderer! How dare you kill her and blame others? Murderer!
I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. Ukune jemara mara. Ukune jemara mara.
You have to take those palm kernels to my elder sister this evening. She will be traveling to Monachi for her daughter's Somogo.
Mama, I am really tired from picking the kernels. Can't it wait? Tomorrow I'll deliver it.
Don't you know that Monachi is very far? And she will be traveling at the first crow of the cock so that she will get there in time. So you need to take these palm kernels to her this evening. You spend the night with her, help her to pack her things, then first thing tomorrow morning start coming back.
Mama, I knew it. I know you wanted me to help her to pack.
She asked for you. And you know that all her children are married. And she's left all alone. So you have to go there and help her. Oh, Mom.
Okay, Mama. But we'll have to wait. When the sun comes down, then I can go.
Darling.
Okay.
Auntie, this coconut is not sweet.
Mama, it's sweet too.
So you can't differentiate between sweet coconut and the one that is not sweet.
Ma, this one is sweet. I like it.
Eat alone.
Woman! Wake up! Wake up!
Don't shout. If you shout, you will not like your daughter.
Shh! Where is your daughter, woman? Answer me quietly. If you scream, we will have no option than to strangle you to death. Where's your daughter?
She's not around. She traveled to another village.
Hey. Quiet, woman. When will she be back? Speak!
Tomorrow. What did my daughter do? Hey! My daughter.
Keep quiet, woman. You have seen our faces. And there is no way we will leave you alive.
Ma, I will tell you whatever you want to hear. Please, my daughter will miss me so much if I die. Please, I beg you. I beg you.
You should wait in the house. Lock the doors and wait for her. Immediately you come in, you just strike. You have to go back to that house. and finish this job. I don't want that girl to be seen today alive. No, it's not possible.
Oh no. Remember what I told you. But consider it done.
Okay. No. Okay. So what did you ihe chọrọ ka anyị ga-enye gị.
That is it.
Oh no. Oh no. Anu bana rota.
Please, just go and do this.
Let's move.
I see evil. I see evil. I see evil. I see evil.
Mama. 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 Mama, wake up. Mama. Mama.
Woman. Wake up. Wake up.
Don't shout. If you shout, you will not like to. Shh.
Where is your daughter, woman? Answer me quietly. If you scream, we will have no option than to strangle you to death. Where's your daughter?
She's not around. She traveled to another village.
Quiet, woman. When will she be back? Speak!
Tomorrow. What did my daughter do? Hey! My daughter.
Keep quiet, woman. You have seen our faces. And there is no way we will leave you alive.
I will tell you whatever you want to hear. Please. My daughter will miss me so much if I die. Please. I beg you. I beg you.
Mama! No! Mama! Mama, wake up! Mama! Mama! No!
Someone was here.
Exactly. Because these fruits are not here. Last night.
Then, what are we going to do?
I think we should run towards the exit of the village. I am sure she will be going back to where she came from.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then let's move. Let's move.
Help me. Please save me. I'm in trouble. They killed my mother and they would kill me too if they find me.
Where are you? Where can I find you?
I'm running out of Adaborofia, heading to nowhere.
Run as fast as you can towards Obiago, Oji village. I'll be running towards you. Always tell me where you are. I am coming to help you.
I'm here. I'm at Nkobago Market. Where are you?
I am right behind you.
Destiny, you see destiny.
The man that killed the princess, his face is not yet revealed.
No, it hasn't. And I believe it's the same person that killed the princess. That tried to kill me too, so I don't expose him. And now they killed my mother.
It's okay. It's okay. You are here now. I'll do everything in my power to protect you. I owe you that. Alright?
Destiny, you see destiny. Can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never be thwarted. Oh. It might be the will of man, but it's not the will of God. Oh. It might be the choice of man, oh, but it's not the choice of God. Oh.
No, we searched everywhere for her, but we couldn't find her.
You have to put your ears to the ground. Anytime you hear that Odoko is in this village, find her and kill her. You have to do this, please.
Oh no, just count on us. We will be on the watch. Makana, Ogadero.
Oh no, Gente. She can only run, but she cannot hide.
I trust you people. Eh? Just do this. Your reward is waiting for you. I will see you people. Hey, my king.
Yeah.
My lord, this is delicious.
It's delicious.
This is real royal abacha.
Thank you, my king.
Audio, eh? My king, go ahead.
This is delicious.
Hey! This is good. Be the ball, Garanya. Ivoma.
Oh no.
My king.
Your coronation is by the corner. In 3 Eke market days to be precise. And this calls for a celebration. Yes.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh no. I know you must be very excited.
My queen. In fact, I'm nervous. I'm very, very nervous. The responsibility His Highness is placing on my shoulder is a huge one. I don't think I can be a great man as you are.
But oh no, why are you saying that? You have been my prime minister all these years. And I'm sure that you know the principles of leadership. So what is new there? I don't have any doubt that you would make a great king.
Yes. You say, Your Majesty.
What is it?
What is it? The great healer of our land, Gwamniru Onuko's mother is dead.
What? Dead?
Yes. As you all know, she's my close friend. I went to her house this morning to visit her because of the upcoming mother's meeting. On reaching there, I saw her lifeless body. And with what I saw, it's obvious somebody strangled her to death.
Strangled her to death? Hey. Oh no, what is going on in this kingdom? And who is behind all these dastardly acts? Who?
I hope no harm has come to Oduko. The gods of our land. What is happening?
My king, this is an abomination. And something has to be done fast.
What is going on in this kingdom?
I have to be on my way.
My king, something has to be done.
Gwamniru.
Something has to be done. And fast.
Greetings, great warrior of our land.
Chebonam. Greetings, the beautiful one of our land. You're here.
Yes, I am. And I brought you food as usual. I made your favorite. Remember you told me?
It smells good.
As usual too. I'll come back for the plates later.
Dalu.
Okay.
Thank you.
Destiny. You see destiny can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never be thwarted. Oh.
I'm not hungry.
It might be the will of man, but it's not the will of God. Oh. It might be the choice of man. Oh.
My king, it has been a month now, yet the person that killed my child and made me childless is yet to be seen. I can't bear the thought anymore. My king, I will send some people to go in search of Oduko. That is what I will do.
Why, Moby dear? The truth is, I want the perpetrators of this heinous crime brought to justice as much as you do. But we cannot override the gods. I strongly believe in my heart that Oduko is alive and safe somewhere in this kingdom, waiting on the revelation of the gods. And as soon as the gods reveal to her who killed our daughter, I know she will come to us. She will. It's only a matter of time. It's okay. It's okay, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Destiny. You see destiny can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never be thwarted.
You are awake?
Yes.
I never wanted to disturb you when I came back.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Destiny. Is it destiny?
I've been meaning to ask you, the girl that brings food for you, is she your betrothed or a relation?
Chiebunam. She's just a friend.
Do you like her? I've seen the way she looks at you. I know she likes you.
Have you seen the way I look at you? No woman has ever captured my heart at the first sight like you did. If only you feel the same way. You are the one my heart calls for. And when the time is right, the gods will work things out. She's just a friend.
Destiny. You see destiny can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never be thwarted. It might be the will of
I still can't believe tomorrow is the coronation day. I'm so excited. Mpoloma will be the next queen of this kingdom. Hey.
Oh, you're kidding, why you? And I will be the next His Royal Highness.
Bam!
King of Marajiako. Marajiako 1.
Hey!
The first in my lineage.
Yes, so.
Iga from Nagan.
Yes.
Isn't Sanders excited?
Yes, so.
Let him get.
I
will make things happen.
Hey!
You are there.
Yes.
What are you doing?
The maiden that brings food for you, ask her to stop. I want to be making your meals now. You gave me shelter and protection. The least I can do is give you good meal whenever you return from work.
You were taught well by your mother. As a way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Then let me find my way into your heart. I desire it.
My heart is open for you to find your way in. For your beauty can make a man go mad. Cook my meal, and I will gladly eat them all. I have no doubt again that we were destined by the gods. What? What is it? What?
The man that killed the princess. The gods just revealed his face. He was the same person that tried to kill me too.
Greetings to you all beautiful people of my kingdom.
Greetings, Your Highness.
As you all know, messages were sent across to all families and villages in this kingdom, as today marks a great day in the annals of history of this great kingdom. Therefore, without wasting much of our time, I am calling on Edikata, the Eye of the Gods, to come and commence the necessary rites. Edikata, over to you.
Papa Roger.
Edikata.
Maka isi ga-ebu ogidi nke na-adịbu ogidi bụ ogidi anyị buo ya mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka mụrụ ibe ya. Mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka mụrụ ibe ya. Isi ga-ebu ogidi nke na-adị ebe ogidi bụ ogidi ogidi anyị jee ya onu njenjenjele 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 isi ga-ebu ogidi nke na-adị ebe ogidi bụ ogidi ogidi anyị jee ya onu maka mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka mụrụ ibe ya No.
I am the gods.
Today marks a great day in your life.
Yes, Edikata.
Maka isi ga-ebogidi nke na-adị ebe ogidi anyị jee ya onu mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka mụrụ ibe ya
Murderer! What do you call?
Who are you calling a murderer?
Your Highness, this man you're about to crown killed the princess.
Yay!
Oh my God! And sent his killers after me.
How dare you lie? Will you shut up? How dare you lie against me?
Let me watch you deny it. You got her pregnant and asked her to abort it. But then you pushed her to death by the lonely hut near Mboko stream. Then you sent your boys to dump her body. After then, you sent your boys after me because you knew the gods would reveal it to me. But they killed my mother instead. Let me watch you deny it.
Your Highness, I know nothing about what you're saying. I did not get anybody pregnant, not even your daughter the princess. How can she sleep with an old man like me?
Your Highness, Your Majesty, the princess confided in me that she likes older men. And that was why she rejected every young suitor that came her way. She told me she was in love with an old man, but I didn't know he was Onowo Parojiak.
It is true, Your Highness. The princess came to me when she was sick, and I found out she was pregnant. She pleaded with me not to speak or say a word to anyone, that her suitors would soon come to pay her bride price. Little did I know that it was you. You are heartless.
No, Your Highness.
You are heartless.
No, Your Highness. This is a mere accusation, Your Highness.
Evil man.
You of all people.
Your Highness, he's one of the killers. And they too.
You killed my daughter.
Come out this way.
You killed the princess.
On your knees!
Oh no! What have I done to you to deserve this treatment? May the gods deal with you same way you have dealt with me. I don't want you to be a king.
Take them out of here! Take them out! Stop them out! Kill my daughter!
I see evil.
You know you don't have to run anymore. Dionowu and his cohort has been put to death. I want you to stay back in the palace and take place as my daughter.
Your Majesty, what you ask of me is greater than me. I am no replacement of the princess. I am no royalty.
Oduko, my dear, you mustn't be born royalty to become royal. The gods have destined you for this day, and that is why it came knocking at your door. Please, my daughter, listen to the cry of a childless woman. Let me be the replacement of a mother in your life. I know the princess will be happy knowing it's you that took her place, please.
I know my mother would be happy knowing it's you that took me in. I accept. You do. Now stay.
Come, my child. Come.
Can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never be thwarted.
Mother, how I wish you were here today to see this better side of my life. But things happen so destinies can manifest. I only wish the wrong things did happen. But the gods are wise. I can't question them. Mother, I've been meaning to tell you this. I found someone I love, Mother. Someone that my heart yearns for and beats for. But he's still taking his time, waiting on the gods for the right time. Oh, I pray the gods they keep him for me before he sees someone else.
My eyes are blind to others. But opened for you. For everything that has happened for a purpose. And they're beyond our thinking. See, with you, everything is different. I have been with women. But with you, it's different. Because whenever your heart calls, I hear them clearly. Your beauty is that of the goddess. Tell me, how do I explain all this if you are not meant to be with me? Please, I want you to spend the rest of your life with me.
I will, the warrior of my heart.
Destiny, you say destiny can be delayed but never be denied. Can be tried but never be thwarted. It might be the will of man, but it's not the will of God. It might be the choice of man, but it's not the choice of God. Onye chena gina yaso. Tamaruna from Underworld. Onye chena gina ya kuaka. Onga pure munarari. What wanna kill you,